Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to film a festive / winter speed clean with me. First things first is coffee. I have to have coffee just to get a little bit more energy and caffeine in me before I do any sort of clean or speed clean. I recently got this milk frother from Swan and it's so incredible. It works amazing in coffees and hot chocolates, especially for this time of year, so I highly recommend. I did bake a cake before this. It was such a yummy banana cake. I might show you guys the recipe. It's honestly insane. But obviously there was a lot of mess to be done. We don't have a dishwasher. That is definitely something I want when we buy our house. But at the moment we're just making do of the space and everything that we've got at the moment. So I am hand washing everything from the mess that I did make before. After all the washing up is done, it is now time to add some Zoflora into my sink, ready to disinfect all the sides. I use a minky cloth for this. I'm using Festive Side from Zoflora, and the winter scents have got to be my favourite, although they are so hard to find. So let me know in the comments down below your most favourite places to get Zoflora from, because I need to know your secrets. I also picked up this really cute minky from the range, and it is a winter sort of edition, and it's so cute. I love new minkies. I just think they're incredible. And I'm using this all-purpose apple spice spray from Flash. That was a bit of a mouthful to say. Just to add as well on the sides. And this smelled amazing. Honestly, my house smelled so festive and it was just incredible. So I'm just wiping down all the appliances. I'm then using the multi-surface polish, and this is from Aldi. It was like 55p and it's the best polish ever. And I just use this after I've disinfected the sides, just to add a little bit of a shine to all my appliances, to all of the sides, and it honestly gives out the best shine. I used to use baby oil, the disinfectant spray, loads of things like that, but I've recently found that this is the best thing for it. The shine just lasts and it doesn't go greasy. It just stays all matte but really shiny, so I really highly recommend this spray. And it is also so affordable from Aldi, so yeah, love it. That was also my banana cake I made earlier. As always, when the kitchen is basically done, I always pop on a wax melt. I get my wax melt holders from Poundland. I get asked this all the time, and then I just use whatever wax melts I have in my cupboard. It's also time to put a wash load on, and I use all of these products. It might seem like a bit too much, but I'm the sort of person that loves my washing to smell insane. And I like the smell to last ages, so I do pop a lot more sort of softener and things like that in than I think the average person. But that's how I like it, so please don't judge me. So the majority of the kitchen is all done, but I wanted to put away all the washing up that I left from before. I like to wash up first and then while it dries I like to do the sides and bits and bobs like that, and then I can go back to it when it's dry and just pop it all away before I move on to the floor and things like that. I'm using the same products I use on the side to polish my sink and make it all lovely and shiny, and then I'm also going to use my favourite Zaflora with boiling hot water into the sink with my sponges just to disinfect them, and everything smells amazing. So I'm gonna give it to you. I'm then going to whiz round in my little kitchen with my Shark Hoover. This is the most incredible Hoover I've ever used. I'll link it for you guys down below. And then I'm also going to mop my floor with this insane flash mop. I recently picked it up and it's the best cleaning purchase I've made recently. It's incredible. You get these recyclable wipes that come with it, and you fit them in the little holes there, you can see, and they're really good. Honestly, they're absolutely incredible. I'll link this mop for you guys down below. I've seen it advertised everywhere at the moment and it's incredible, so I highly recommend this. And then what I'm going to do is go around in the front room with my shake and vac. I like to do this all over the carpet before I move on to cleaning everywhere else, and then when everything else is done I like to hoover it up just so it seeps into the carpet. It basically makes everything smell amazing. And then I'm just going to go around with my duster, and then things that need a little bit more of a clean I'll then go around with my polish and microfiber cloth. So after I've hoovered, it's now time to do the cushions. Now they do look a little bit sad, so I thought I'd give them a little bit of TLC and zhuzh them up. Is zhuzh a word? I don't know, we'll make it a word. And then I'm going to go in with my insane sprays. I'm not going to lie to you guys, the Sandwood and Jasmine one is probably the most amazing spray I've ever smelled in my life. So it's just incredible, and I'm just going to spray everything, and then to finish off I'm also going to spray the carpet with the 1001 spray. This is actually limited edition for the winter season and it smells of frosted berries and it's just incredible. For a room spray I'm going to use Winter Spice from Primark. This was only £3. It is insane. It is literally Christmas in a bottle. I'm spraying it over the sofa, the curtains, artificial flowers. It's just amazing. And then what I'm going to do is pop some wax melts on. I love wax melts. The smell lasts all day long and I just find them incredible. My favourite ones ever are the vanilla ones from Glade. They're insane. And the Wax Melt Company do an incredible Jo Malone dupe, so I love them. So after that, it's now time for the toilet. I'm using the Duck Pine. This is incredible. To be honest, I do the bathroom every day. I feel like the bathroom is a job that needs to be done every day. You're constantly getting toothpaste and face wash and things like that everywhere. So I didn't do too much to it. Of course, I used my new mop, but yeah, I didn't do too much to the bathroom. I wanted to show you guys the reality of how my beauty room can get sometimes. It's not always how it looks like on Instagram. This is parcels that have been piled up over the past couple of days and it just adds up all the time. I've got makeup left out and I thought, oh, I can't look at this anymore. So I've just cleaned it all, made it all nice and tidy, emptied the bin, and I've just organised everything in the beauty room. It's very self-explanatory. When you see it, I just dust everywhere, put everything in its right place and just make it all lovely and shiny. This room is my favourite, only when it's clean though. for the bedroom, this room wasn't actually that bad at all. Don't mind my work stuff on the bed. I do plan a lot of my stuff on the bed. This is like my calming room because there isn't too much going on and I love it. But I'm just going to dust everywhere, make it a little bit more sharp and just a bit more comfier and cozier. And I'm also going to add this amazing spray from Glade. Honestly, this is incredible. I highly recommend this. And then I'm also just going to hoover and mop the bedroom just super quickly. Like Mrs. Hinch says, little and often, but it does genuinely help. So I really recommend doing that. I'm then just going to put all my wax melts on in the flat as well as some candles. And honestly, it just smells so good after I film this. Oh, it's just amazing. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This video has been really highly requested. I'm going to film a Christmas clean with me as soon as all my decorations are up, and that'll be very soon, so keep an eye out for that video. But yeah, I hope to see you guys very soon, and love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!